Ready to have your mind blown? What if I told you that sharks are older than trees? No, you heard that right. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for an astonishing 450 million years. The first trees popped up on land about 385 million years ago. Sharks have been around for millions of years, even before forests. They're like living fossils, true survivors from Earth's past. These incredible creatures have navigated through 5 mass extinction events that wiped out a huge percentage of all life on the planet, including the dinosaurs. Yet sharks endured, they adapted, evolved, and continued to thrive. So next time you see a picture of a shark, remember you're not just looking at an animal. You're looking at a living testament to resilience, a creature that has outlasted empires, mountains, and even the very stars in our night sky as we know them. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? These ancient mariners have seen more of Earth's history than almost any other creature. What secrets could they tell if they could speak? Now, let's get into another fact that seems almost unbelievable. Sharks have absolutely zero bones in their bodies. Not a single one. If you were to look at a shark's skeleton, you wouldn't find a familiar bony structure like you would in a fish, a bird, or a human. Instead, their entire skeleton is made of cartilage. Yes, the same flexible stuff that's in your ears and the tip of your nose. This cartilaginous skeleton is a huge advantage for them. It's much lighter than bone, which helps them stay buoyant in the water without using too much energy. It's also incredibly flexible, allowing them to make sharp, agile turns when they're chasing prey. This flexibility gives them a unique, powerful swimming style. While cartilage is softer than bone, don't think that makes them weak. Their bodies are supported by this tough, durable framework. But there's one part of a shark that is incredibly hard: their teeth. Shark teeth are actually harder than bone, coated in a super tough layer of enamel. So while the rest of their body is soft and flexible, their bite is anything but. It's a perfect combination of agility and power, all thanks to their boneless design. Think sharks are just mindless eating machines. Think again. They possess a sense that's straight out of a superhero comic. They can sense electricity. This isn't science fiction, it's a biological marvel. Sharks have a network of special jelly-filled pores on their snout, called the ampulla of Lorenzini. These tiny organs are incredibly sensitive electroreceptors. They can detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of other living animals. Every time a fish flexes its fin or a crab scuttles under the sand, it creates a tiny electrical pulse. For a shark, it's like a flashing neon sign that says food is here. This sixth sense allows them to locate prey that's completely hidden from sight, buried under the sand, or camouflaged in the dark depths of the ocean. They can essentially see the bioelectric field of their next meal. Imagine having a built-in metal detector, but for living things. That's what a shark has. This ability is so fine-tuned that some sharks can detect a voltage as small as a few billionths of a volt. It's a superpower that makes them one of the most effective predators in the entire animal kingdom. Have you ever felt like you just need to stop and take a break? Well, for some sharks, that's not an option, ever. Species like the great white, the mako, and the whale shark are what we call obligate ram ventilators. It's a fancy term for a very intense reality. They must constantly swim forward to breathe. If they stop moving, they can't force water over their gills and they would essentially suffocate. Think about that for a moment. No rest, no sleep in the way we understand it. Just perpetual motion from the moment they are born until the day they die. They swim while they hunt, they swim while they rest, and they swim while they migrate thousands of miles across entire oceans. How do they manage this? Scientists believe they might engage in something like sleep swimming, where parts of their brain shut down while they continue to move on autopilot. It's a life of constant, forward momentum. This biological imperative creates a natural sense of drama and power. They are always on the move, always patrolling, like the true kings and queens of their domain. It's a relentless existence that commands respect. Ever wondered what shark skin feels like? If you ever get the chance to touch one though, I really wouldn't recommend it. You might be in for a surprise. When you glide your hand from the head to the tail, it feels smooth. But if you go the other way, from tail to head, it's like rubbing against sandpaper. Crazy, right? So why is that? Unlike regular fish, sharks don't have scales. Instead, their skin is covered in thousands of tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. Yep, you heard that right, sharks are basically covered in teeth. Each little denticle is shaped like a tiny V and they overlap like shingles on a roof. This cool texture does a couple of amazing things. First off, it's super tough, giving sharks some serious protection against predators and rough waters. But here's the kicker, these denticles are genius when it comes to hydrodynamics. They help channel water over the shark's body, cutting down drag and turbulence. This means sharks can zip through the water like pros, using way less energy than if they had smooth skin. Engineers have even borrowed this design to make high-performance swimsuits for Olympic athletes and to create more fuel-efficient coatings for ships and planes. Nature really knows how to engineer, doesn't it? Now for a bonus fact that really puts the jaw in jawsome. We already know shark teeth are hard, but what's even crazier is how many they go through. A single shark can lose and regrow over 30,000 teeth in its lifetime. Sharks truly are some of the most misunderstood and fascinating animals on our planet. They are ancient survivors, biological marvels, and crucial parts of our ocean's ecosystem. From their boneless bodies and electric sense to their non-stop lifestyle and sandpaper skin, every part of a shark is a lesson in evolution and efficiency. They are not the villains they are often portrayed to be. They are finely tuned predators who play a vital role in maintaining the health of our seas. By keeping prey populations in check, they prevent any one species from overwhelming the ecosystem, which helps maintain the biodiversity of coral reefs and other marine habitats. The more we learn about them, the more we realize how much we need them. We hope these facts have given you a new appreciation for these incredible creatures of the deep. What was your favorite shark fact? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the world of sharks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. See you next time.